Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Cody. Time to do the football random team draw. So, I am live now. It's true. Good. And so, everybody in the break. And I got that set. All right. So, everybody in the break. We got Levi Hatch. In spot one, Nick R., Cody Bindley, Scott Rumpel, Issei Low, Cody Bindley, Sterling, Scott Rumpel, Adam D for two, Matty Ice with one, Scott Rumpel again, Mason Perterson, probably supposed to be Peterson, Nick R., Dustin S., Scott Rumpel, Sterling, Spencer Whiting with his two spots. Cody Bindley and Spencer Whiting for two more. Big Red in with the spot. Spencer Whiting again. Tanya, Cody Bindley, Dustin S. and Tanya again. And then, last four are Issei Low. All right, so let's see how many times we're going to do the old dice roll. Two dice. And we rolled a double fours, so 8 times on the randoms. And so we'll start out with 8 times on our names list. Good luck, everybody. After one, Matty Ice on top. And two. Come on. After three. After four. After five. And six. And after seven, Dustin S on top. And Dustin S on the bottom. We rolled an 8. We have rolled 7 times, or randomized 7 times so far, so this is the 8th and final. And that puts Dustin S still on top. And Cody Bindley on the bottom, actually, with the bottom 2 spots. So let's get that over to our final list. Just gonna use this one and replace here. Paste. And let's blow everybody up so they can be seen. All right, now let's do the teams. And as just like in the basketball, it's always in alphabetical order from the Arizona Cardinals down to the Washington Redskins. So 8 times. After one, the 49ers on top and the Bucks on the bottom, 2. And 3. And number 4. And after 5. After 6. 6. And 7. So 7 has the Cardinals on top and the Colts on the bottom. So 7 times on the randomizer. We rolled an 8. So one more time. Good luck. Final one puts the Panthers on the top and the Redskins on the bottom. All right, let's match you guys up. Let's see who everybody's got. Good luck, everybody. I hope you get the teams you wanted. Can't ever work that way for everybody. All right, so time for the blow up, and that puts Dustin S with the Panthers, Spencer Whiting with the Packers, the Los Angeles Rams going to Sterling, Spencer Whiting with the Colts, Sterling with the Lions, Scott Rumpel with the Dallas Cowboys, Issei Low with the Falcons, Nick R. with the Seattle Seahawks. Spencer Whiting with the Bears. I'm jealous of that one. Nick R. with the Vikings. Nick R., if you want to trade, if you're not a huge fan of the Vikings, I know somebody that is in this break. So let me know or let us know if you're in the wanting to trade. I'll tell you who. It's Tanya in this break, so let's see who she gets. Big Red winning the Houston Texans. Wow. With the third spot in the Raz and pulls out the Texans. Spencer Whiting with the Giants. Issei Lowe with the Bucks. Dustin S. with the Dolphins. Cody Bindley with the Chargers. Scott Rumpel with the Pats. Levi Hatch with the Kansas City Chiefs. Issei Lowe with the Steelers. Scott Rumpel with the Browns. Matty Ice with the Ravens. The Denver Broncos going to Cody Bindley. Issei Lowe with the Cincinnati Bengals. Philadelphia Eagles going to Spencer. Oh, and they just scored a touchdown. Quite a coincidence. I say Philadelphia Eagles, look up, and they just scored a touchdown. Tanya with the 49ers. Adam with the Saints. Scott with the Raiders. Issei Lowe with the Cardinals. Mason Peterson with the Titans. Tanya with the Bills. Adam with the Jacksonville Jags. And Cody Bindley with the Jets and the Redskins. So the 49ers and the Buffalo Bills are the two teams that Tanya has. So if either of those teams you're interested in, she probably would trade you for the Vikings. So let us know if you're interested in that at all, Nick. So I'll get that posted on the page. I appreciate everybody getting in, and we'll see you guys tomorrow at break time. All right, everybody. Peace out.